Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick review on this keypad lock that I purchased. And it has the key in there now, and it actually works. So this is the key here, and it's very cute. It's made in Italy. Let's see if I can zoom in there. Made in Italy. And I keep my little key in my Louis Vuitton pouch so I won't lose it. But I think it's just so cute on the bag itself. I actually switched it from this bag in the nude color to my other bag, which is the same style, which is in the black color. And see if I can record with one hand here. See if I can open it for you. Hold on one second. Okay, and that's the lock open, as you can see. And it comes out that way, and you twist it to take it from the tab there. And then it says made in Italy there. And like I said, I keep my little key in my clay because it's very tiny, easy to lose, perhaps. So I keep it in my clay. And let's just got a quick review on the keypad lock with key. And it goes on my Wilson's leather front Kelly Turnlock bags. And the one that I have in this video is in the nude color. I hope you enjoy and have a great day.